Management is a distinct process consist of demanding, bargaining, directions, planning, organizing, acquiting, controlling, accomplishing, decision making, marketing. The answer is planning, organizing, acquiting and controlling. Esprit de corps means promoting team spirit in an organization to boost a sense of unity, creating a sense of aversion, developing a sense of authority. The answer is promoting team spirit in an organization to boost a sense of unity. Management techniques which are included in detection are options: social responsibility, collective bargaining and report writing, input and output analysis, attitude survey, production study, report writing, suggestion scheme and visual aids. The answer is input and output analysis, attitude survey, production study. Management science developed a theory base from many disciplines such as neurology, physiology and anatomy, business, psychology, sociology and anthropology, accounting, statistics and physics. The answer is business, psychology, sociology and anthropology. Planning is essentially decision making since it involves developing policies, procedures and strategies, choosing among alternatives, mental exercise. The answer is choosing among alternatives. In the content of business concern, strategy indicates options: specific program of action for achieving the organization's objectives, that it is a form of developing authority, that it is a kind of decision making. The answer is specific program of action for achieving the organization's objectives. Single-use plans are to be used in specific situations to produce policy, objectives and budget, only produce programs and budget, produce repeated use plan. The answer is only produce programs and budgets. Standing or repeated use plans involve objectives, policy, procedure and methods, programs and budget, budget and single use plan. The answer is objectives, policies, procedures and methods. Staffing function include activities such as demotion, promotion and superannuation, human resource planning, recruitment, selection and placement, delegation, direction and control. The option is, the answer is human resource planning, recruitment, selection and placement. Staffing is responsible for retaining and developing right people in terms of quality and number, transferring and providing memo, directing and controlling. The answer is retaining and developing right people in terms of quality and number. Purpose of patient satisfaction classification system is control and coordinate the patient, communicate with the patient, assess, group and assigning patient to each staff in different groups. The answer is assess, group and assign patient to each staff in different groups. Purpose of duty roster is to ensure adequate patient care, ensure good communication, ensure good control over patients. The answer is ensure good communication. Purpose of recruitment is to provide a pool of potentially qualified job candidates, interview and promote the candidate, identify good candidate. The answer is provide a pool of potentially qualified job candidates. Purpose of promotion is to increase control over employee, increase the employees and organization's effectiveness, get more work done by employee. The answer is increase the employees and organization's effectiveness. Purpose of budget is to promote decision making, provide a quantitative expression of plans of the hospital, direct and control the finance process. The answer is provide a quantitative expression of plans of the hospital. The budget which is designed to self-destruct within a prescribed time period to ensure cessation of spending by a predetermined state is called capital budget, sunset budget, selling budget. The answer is sunset budget. First in, first out principle to be followed in purchase, storage, procurement. The answer is storage. Inventory control means stocking, register in time, budget material and file in time, an adequate number and type of store so that the materials are available when required. Answer is an adequate number and type of store so that material are available when required. HML analysis means options high, medium and low estimate, hierarchy, moderate and low estimate, heaping, modeling and lowering estimate. The answer is high, medium and low estimate. Process of material management involve budgeting, demand, forecasting and procurement, demanding and bargaining, delegating, controlling and planning. The answer is budgeting, demand, forecasting and procurement. Autocratic directions means under this method, subordinates are allowed to do work freely as they wish. Subordinates are not allowed to take any initiative in solving the problem. Both authority and subordinate work hand in hand. The answer is subordinates are not allowed to take any initiative in solving the problem. Direction is a complex function that includes all those activities that are designed to encourage options the subordinates to effectively and efficiently work, the subordinates to control and coordinate their work, the subordinate to do the decision making. The answer is the subordinate to effectively and efficiently work. Unity of command means employee should receive order and instructions only from superior. Employee should receive order among themselves. Employee need not receive any order. The answer is employee should receive order and instruction only from superior. Free rein direction means authority controls subordinate to do work. Authority allows subordinate to take decision. Both authority and subordinate discuss freely. Subordinate plays major role in taking the decision. The answer is both authority and subordinate discuss freely. Subordinate plays major role in taking the decision. Under consultative directions technique, executive take a decision and discuss a direction only after consulting with subordinate. Executive never consult with subordinate. Executive consult only in difficult times. The answer: executive take a decision and discuss a direction only after consulting with subordinate.